Hi everyone, I am Jenilyn Pantillo. So now I'm presenting our second code for registration form. So first, registration form extends GFrame. So the function of this is the class defines the entire registration form window. It's like the blueprint for the form. And also, it's hold all the components like text box, buttons, and etc. And it sets up how they look and behave. And next, for instance variables field. So these variables stores the different parts of the registration form. And the first name field and last name field, email field, username field there are the text box where users type in their information. And for the password field and confirm password field, there are the password field or the text box that the characters hide. And next, for the terms check box is a checkbox for agreeing to the terms. And sign up button is the button to submit the form. And login app is refers to the main login application. So the registration form can interact with it. And next, the first name prompt and last name prompt, email prompt, username prompt, password prompt, confirm password prompt. So this stores the hit text that appears in the text box before the user types anything. So next, for the public registration form with the simple login app and login app is this is the setup code. It runs once when a new registration form object is created, and it's responsible for this setting the window title, the register, and set default close operation. So this is the setting the close behavior or what happens when you click the X. And next, set size is this is the setting the size of the window. And set resizable is this is the prevent window from being resized. And next, set layout. So this choose a layout manager or how components are arranged. And these panels, so creating and arranging the panels, the main panel, top panel, and input panel. So to organize the components visually and creating the text fields, password fields, checkbox, and button, and adding them to the appropriate panels. And also adding an action listener to the sign up button, or more this in below their part. And the panels making the form visible on the screen. So in the action listener for sign up button, so this code responds to the user checking the sign up button. It's what happened when the button is clicked. So Third part, the sign up. So it checks if the user agreed to the terms checkbox and get the text from all the input field and checks if the password match and also display a success message and asks if the user want to sign in. And if yes, it sets the users in the main login. So the login application knows who to log in, shows a login success message, and close the registration form. So this part, the panels, button. So next, so for creating prompt text field is, so the function of this is it creates a text field with a prompt and grayed out hit text. It makes the text field look user friendly. And also it uses a focus listener to handle the prompt. So for this, when the text field is clicked, so it gets focus, the prompt disappear. So for this lost focus, when the text is clicked away from, so lost focus. If it is empty, the prompt reappears. So next, the create prompt password field. So this function is very similar for create prompt text field, but it creates a password field instead, and it also handles the prompt text is uses set echo char for showing or hide the password characters dots. So in summary, the registration form class is the main blueprint for the form, and the constructor sets up the form appearance and layout. And also the action listener for the sign up button is handles the user's actions when they submit the form. And also the create prompt text and create prompt password is are the helper for functions to create text field with the prompts. So ato na iparan. So mag-sign in kita. So John Carl password 1 sign. So John Carl Martisano successfully logged in. So okay. So if waray ato pa account, pwede kita mag-register. So don't have an account, islitan ta. So this is the register form. So first, maghimo kita. So if dili mag-match ang password o confirm password, mag-error ni siya. So the password do not match. So mag-error siya pag dili same password, dapat same gayud. So the registration successful. Click tang okay. So mangutana sab siya kung Do you want to sign in with your new account? So yes. So muna ini Jenilyn Pantilo successfully logged in. So thank you.